Hello everyone, today we are going to explore another wonderful feature of Adobe Illustrator, and that is Generative Fill feature in Adobe Illustrator that is available in Illustrator beta. So what it does, whenever you create any illustration, so it can fill your illustration with pattern, with some colors based on your complete imagination. And let's explore how it works. So first of all, I'm going to window panel, and from here go to properties, and you can create any illustration having outlined a stroke or anything. So I have just created this illustration, and from the properties panel you can see that here is an option of generative shape fill. Okay, as soon as I click on it, this panel has been opened. So in this tutorial we are going to explore 3 test cases how we can use this feature. So first of all, I am going to remove anything that is written in the prompt, and here you can see 2 sliders, that one have the shape strength and one has the detail. Shape strength is basically the feature of your illustration, that how much it can deviate from its originality, and the detail feature is the illustration when it is filled with colors or pattern and anything else, what should be the detailed features included in it. So here is the test case number 1, that you just want the illustrator to fill the shape on its own, so you do not need to write anything. If you want to select any style reference, I will tell you how to do that in later on. And you can add effects, you can select any effect from here. Okay, let's leave it for now and simply hit generate. Okay, so here you can see that it has generated 3 options for us. It's not perfect, but it is very much good, and on my personal experience and preference, I prefer to work using this feature when the illustration does not require too much detail, or you are creating any environment and wants to include some illustration in it. So I personally use this feature a lot. Okay, so that was the first test case. Okay, now we are going to have a look at the second test case. The second test case is that you can add prompt over here, whatever it is in your imagination, you can simply put it here. So I have written apply camouflage texture in green and brown shades. Okay, I have select the effect of flat design. Okay, and I have maintained the shape strength to medium and the detail at the center as well, and now I'm going to hit generate. Okay, once again 3 options has been generated, and I must say that it has done a wonderful job. Like within a second it has completely transformed your raw illustration into something very colorful and professional. And basically I am just loving the result that it has generated. Well, let's try another prompt. But this time I'm going to put the prompt of fill with galaxy, star and nebula pattern, and from here right now I'm just disabling the flat design, and let's choose geometric this time and hit generate. Okay, now it has generated 3 options once again, and it might not be perfect, but this option looks very much good, and it is wonderful to use this feature. Amazing result. And now the last test case that we are going to explore is, like, if you have any reference image, like I have some few more illustration, like I have this line illustration and another illustration of an animal, and I want to have this illustration to have the feel and the colors of this one. So what you have to do, just select this illustration that we have previously had, go to Generative Shape Fill, remove any prompt that we have already there, and go to style reference, and from here you can choose the asset, like what pattern or what style you want to replicate on your raw illustration. So let's grab the illustration of this. Here you can see that your asset has been added here, and you have to simply hit generate. As you can see that within a matter of seconds it has transformed the existing illustration into grade 3 design. That is the beauty of this feature, and that is why I prefer this feature. Let's take an example of loin as well. You can replace the asset from here, just select. Here you can see that your asset has been added over here. You can also change the effect. Let's use flat design this time and hit generate. Needless to say that this feature has impressed me big time. It can save a lot of time, and the good thing is that each and everything is in vector format. So you can, if you want to change the color of your illustration, like each and every element of the illustration is completely editable, so you can change the color or do anything that you want. So I believe that this tutorial must be very helpful for you people. Keep learning, keep sharing. Thanks for watching.